Hey, what is up guys? Renz Dagz TV here, and I know it's been a while. The last video that I have posted on my channel is like back in uh, or 5 days ago, I think. And this is just a informal vlog though. As you can see, I don't have an upper shirt, but you know, who cares, right? I'm just inside the house, by the way. So alright, I think the video prior to the last one that I mentioned was back in June. Yeah, so yeah, I haven't got any enough chance to make a lot of videos to post on my channel, especially that it's kind of hard right now here on our end, since we got our firstborn and then another one is coming up, thanks to God. And yeah, I'm just actually trying to make some updates to you guys, especially to those who are supporting my channel. Thank you very much, I really appreciate it. And to those who are new here that is watching this video, I would also appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button just down below, that red button, and of course just turn on the notification bell so you will get updated to my upcoming videos. And again, I'm always trying my best to be consistent in updating you guys or uploading some videos here on my channel, so you won't get bored as well. And right now I'm just working on some things here for my personal life, like getting a stable job and all that, because as you know, YouTube is not yet, I mean, my channel is not yet that good in earning for living. And of course, that's one of my goals in the future. I hope you guys would still support me, and we'll see where it goes. So there you go guys. And I think right now I would probably check on some things as well, in terms of what videos I will be uploading. I have one coming up actually. This is with regard to the G space, of course, since we are mostly working on Huawei stuff, right? So G space version 1.1.3, which I'm working on right now, and then hopefully that could get released anytime soon, and I will definitely let you know guys. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys are doing great on your end, and yeah, as always, stay safe and see ya on my next videos. Bye guys, thanks.